Little Piggy's Farm Adventure. One sunny morning, little Piggy woke up with excitement. Today, he was going to Grandpa's farm. He packed his little backpack with a water bottle, some snacks, and a notebook. When he arrived, Grandpa was waiting with a big smile and a straw hat. Welcome, little Piggy. Today, the farm is full of surprises. Are you ready to explore? Yes, little Piggy shouted and ran into the farm. First, they went to see the chickens. Little Piggy watched the chicks following Mama Hen closely. Grandpa, why do the chicks always stay close to Mama Hen? He asked. Grandpa explained gently, chicks follow their mother because she knows where it's safe and where the food is. It helps them stay safe. Little Piggy nodded, learning that even animals have ways to take care of themselves. Next, they visited the orchard. Apples and peaches hung from the trees. Little Piggy picked a bright red apple and sniffed it. Grandpa, it smells so sweet. Grandpa said, fruit needs time to grow and ripen. Don't forget to wash it before eating. Little Piggy washed the apple carefully and took a big bite. Sweet juice filled his mouth. Yummy! I want to grow my own apples someday, he said. Then, they went to the vegetable garden. Grandpa showed him how to water the plants without getting the leaves too wet. Plants need sunlight, water, and air to grow. Taking care of them teaches